Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add connections on LinkedIn. So this is where LinkedIn is very different from other social networks. On a site like Facebook, you might add everyone you've ever met, but doing that on LinkedIn, you come off as a bit insincere. If you are just networking on someone's sake of truly building your professional network, before you add a connection on LinkedIn, ask yourself, will this person discuss a job with me, recommend me to an employer? If the answer is yes, then that's maybe a good idea to add a person as a connection. To add connections on LinkedIn, my network at the top of here, and you will find a list of people that you may know. If you see someone you like to connect with, you can click on this connect. You can also visit their profile and connect there. A dialog box will appear and you can attach a personal message of invitation if you like. We recommending including a message with every connection request so the person knows who you are and why you want to connect. Once your message is finished, click done. You will be able to see your total number of connections in the top left corner on my network page. Well, some people believe that your LinkedIn profile is only is good if your number of connection, but the quality of connection is more valuable than the quantity. So having 50 strong connections can do much more of your connections than 200 connections is that you don't know who they are. So that's just something you consider as you find and add people on LinkedIn. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.